The world of computing has just been turned upside down, and the culprit is sitting right in the palm of your hand. For decades, we've been told that real power requires a massive tower, loud fans, and a desk-crushing footprint. But today, Apple has officially deleted that narrative. This is the Mac Mini M5. It is a silicon-powered miracle that packs more raw computational energy into a tiny silver box than the fastest supercomputers from just a few years ago. If you think you know what a mini computer can do, you are about to have your mind blown. We aren't just looking at a spec bump. We are looking at the death of the desktop as we know it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Imagine having the power to edit 8K video, render complex 3D environments, and train local AI models on a device that's smaller than a stack of coasters. That is the reality of the M5 chip. This isn't just about speed, it's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. The Mac Mini M5 is the ultimate sleeper hit, a machine that looks humble on the outside but hides a monster within. And today, we are going deep. We are going to peel back the layers of this 3-nanometer beast to see why it is making every other PC on the market look like a fossil. The heart of this revolution is the M5 silicon architecture. Apple's journey from the M1 to the M5 has been a relentless march toward perfection. But the M5 is different. It's built on an enhanced 3-nanometer process that pushes the limits of physics. We're talking about billions of transistors packed into a space the size of a postage stamp. The efficiency is staggering. While high-end PC towers are drawing hundreds of watts and generating enough heat to warm a room, the Mac Mini M5 stays cool and silent. It's like a silent assassin. It does the heaviest work imaginable without ever making a sound. You can be in the middle of a massive project, and the only way you'll know the computer is working is by how fast the progress bar is moving. But who is this machine for? In 2026, the lines between professional and hobbyist have blurred. Everyone is a creator now. Whether you're a YouTuber, a software developer, a digital artist, or a financial analyst, the Mac Mini M5 is designed to be your engine. It's for the person who wants a pro experience without the pro price tag. By separating the computer from the monitor, Apple allows you to build your own dream setup. You can pair this with a massive 6K studio display, or a high refresh rate ultra-wide gaming monitor. The flexibility is endless. Let's talk about the GPU. For years, the Mac was criticized for its gaming performance. Those days are officially over. The M5 chip features hardware-accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading that rivals dedicated graphics cards. When you launch a AAA title on this machine, you aren't just playing it, you're experiencing it with cinematic realism. The lighting, the shadows, the reflections, everything is rendered with a level of detail that was once reserved for expensive gaming rigs. But it's not just about games. This GPU power translates directly into creative workflows. If you're using Blender or Cinema 4D, your render times are going to be slashed by half. If you're a photographer working with hundreds of high-resolution RAW files, Adobe Lightroom will feel like it's running on jet fuel. Connectivity is another area where the Mac Mini M5 refuses to compromise. Around the back, you are greeted with a suite of ports that would make a workstation blush. We're talking about Thunderbolt 5. With speeds up to 120 gigabits per second, you can transfer